Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with hashtag Crack the Vault for 2025. This is a collaboration that's hosted by Jamie over at Poetspice. Her channel name is Poetspice. I will link her and everyone else participating in this collab, and there's quite a few, in the description box below. The idea of this collaboration is to use something from your stash, the vault, which my vault is pretty big, that you haven't used in 6 months or more, or you have never used. So, for this month, my 6 month or more is my hot glimmer machine, Glimmer hot foil system from Spellbinders that I bought, I think, in late 2023 because I have 3 months of their Glimmer of the Month Club, and these are what came in it. I never used that one, and I still haven't. This is not, I might destash this one, honestly. It If you like books a lot, this might be for you. Coffee, books, and you. Um, I wish it said, oh, I can't read that. I don't have my glasses on, sorry. Anyway, there's 4 sentiments and the strips to go with them. And then I guess this is, I don't know what that is, just a design. I could use that for something. What did they use it for? I guess just to put lines on the back of a card. I could do that. So I didn't use those this time, and this came with the machine. I don't believe I ever used it, or maybe I used it once. So what I used is this, which is all um, Christmas sentiments. It's the Snow Garden sentiments, and I'm pretty sure these three that I bought were on sale at some point. Hot foil plate and die set. So the foiling is the words, and then it came with the dies to cut them out. I spent a morning and I just did these in 4 colors: gold, red, green, and silver. And I did okay. I did not have a lot of success with these florals, these big florals. I kept getting over foiling, which means too much foil, or cutting it off because they're so big, or something. So I thought maybe I'll have better luck with the sentiments, and I did. I was very pleased with myself yesterday, Thursday, when I was doing these. So I will be doing this one, which is more, what do they call this? Sentiments for every day. And I'll be doing that next. But let me show you. And I have another holiday one, which it just foils the little part. And then this is all die cut stuff. And I thought that was pretty cool too. So I will be doing more foiling, but not for this collab probably. Anyway, I thought I need to get ready for making holiday cards, either for the 10 on the 10th collab with Metal Scrap and Chic, or for Christmas in July, right? I just need to start getting ready. Now, I don't have as many of some, like I didn't make as many red and green, and also I didn't get any of this May You Be Surrounded by All Things That Bring Christmas Cheer in green, and I only got one in silver. And there were a couple, what was happening with me is stuff like this, like I had the plate over too far compared to the others. And this one, the foil, I guess, didn't go down long enough, or it slipped. Sometimes when I carried the plates over to my die cut machine, which is like I just have to turn around, but still, here, see, that one got cut off. This one got blurry, so I must have moved it. And one of them is like double foiling, so I moved it again, and this one I got cut off. So, but all these are what I die cut out. So you can see I got quite a few. So yeah, I have Season's Greetings, and aren't they pretty? They'll just be beautiful on holiday cards, I think. If you celebrate Christmas, I do. And Merry Christmas. And I may gift a few of these to my friend in need. And may you be surrounded by all things that bring Christmas cheer. I thought that maybe would be better on the inside of a card, but I can glue it on the inside too. So, and I don't have as many of those, so that might end up being an inside greeting. Now, see, some of them got a little thicker in foiling than others, and I think, I'm not sure why that is, unless I had more pressure. Like a couple of them I ran through my sheet, mine's a manual machine, back and forth twice, so 4 times. And I think they got a darker line, but you really have to be careful doing that because that's also why I think I got some blurry. This one has a little bit of double just on the B, but I think it's okay. And 2 of these. And then this green, I didn't get any, I only did 2 sheets of green and both of the green ones. That one got blurry and this one got cut off. So I didn't get that bottom one, but I got 2 of each of the other and then silver. So what came with the machine is 1 roll of gold and 1 roll of like a multicolor rainbowy kind of foil. I haven't used that rainbow yet. I'm still working on the first roll of gold. So they go a long way unless you're doing really big images. Now, I have not looked lately at what more dies and plates they have, but yeah, I had a lot of fun doing it. I was because it worked this time for me. I got it down to a rhythm, and yeah, amazing. So pull out your equipment and your stuff that you haven't used and make some things. So I didn't make any cards yet. I wasn't prepared to do that yesterday and today I have to work on something else. So, but they'll be coming, like I said, either for 10 on the 10th collaboration with Metal Scrap and Chic, or just Christmas in July, or just because I feel like making cards. All right, everyone, please go visit Jamie at Poetspice and everyone else, and I will see you on the next third Friday of the month at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay? Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.